if the distance of the earth is halved from the sun, then the number of days in a year will be how much? So here we use the Kepler's law of periods. Okay. So in Kepler's law of period, the simple formula is nothing but T1 by T2 the whole square is equal to R1 by R2 the whole cube. Correct? So which means if I want to calculate T2 from this, or let it be T1, whatever it is. So if I want to calculate T2, T2 is nothing but what? R2 by R1 whole power 3 by 2. So suppose if we are not able to get to this, what is T1 given? T1 is given 365. Correct? T2 is this one. Let it be T2 itself, whole square. R1 by R2. So now come to the question for the radius. Correct? Distance of the earth is half from the sun. Then the number of days in the year will be how much? Correct? So here what I can substitute now in this is, this will be my 2r here. Because distance is halved. Correct? R1 is equal to 2R2. Correct? R1 is equal to 2R2. So 2R by R. Don't miss the whole cube here. Yes. So this implies 365 by T2 the whole square. Correct? Here I can cancel the R itself. Correct? Yes, it is T cube thing. But if I come with the cube root wala here, then what will I get? I will get this is equal to 365 into 1 by 2 root 2 is equal to our T2, or 365 by 2 root 2. So it's approximately equal to 129 days respectively. So guys, the only confusion in this will be how this will become 2 root 2 here, correct? So that is nothing but here we are cancelling R and R. So I'm cancelling this R and R. Then this 2 cube, correct? This is equal to 2 cube. Now, the only thing is 365, correct? Is equal to what? Cube root of 2 cube is 8, correct? Square root of this thing. Square root of 8 is what? 2 root 2. Correct? If I'm taking square root on both the sides, this will become what? If I'm taking square root on both the sides, this will become 2 root 2. So now I think it's clear. T2 we are getting this. So it's a simple mathematical thing. But the most important, the key point here is we should know this formula. This is one of the most important formula in this. If you know this formula, rest all are very easy.